mind if I put you on my YouTube channel? Go for it. All right, you're on it right now. Secret Spy Glasses. My name is Brian.
Brian, Mike.
Trivia question categories. You get your choice of movies, video games, or cars.
I probably know more about cars, so let's go cars.
Let's go with cars. All right. You have to name all the cars in this box. All I need to know is the car name, TV show, or movie it came from. You ready?
Oh boy. Alright, that one's definitely Scooby-Doo.
You got it.
Ghostbusters.
Good.
Dukes of Hazzard.
Good.
Herbie the Love Bug.
Good. A third way there.
Starsky and Hutch.
Good.
Okay. That's tough.
So you got this, these, and those.
Drawing a blank. I
Really? On the other ones? Yeah? You give up?
I might be able to get lucky on one or two, but I can't do them all.
No?
No.
You want to know?
Yeah.
The A-Team.
Oh.
Batmobile.
Okay.
Transformers, the very first Camaro.
Oh, that I'm out of touch with.
Christine, the killer car.
Christine.
Yeah.
I should have known that one.
Knight Rider.
Okay. I kind of thought one of them had to be Knight Rider, but...
Back to the Future.
Back to the Future. That makes sense.
And Smokey and the Bandit.
Okay.
Nice try. If you want to join my YouTube channel, feel free to take a credit card, a printed credit card with my info on it, or even a printed coin. I 3D print everything.